Listen, all you have to do is go to the site here, listen to this meditation music, lay in your bed, hanging out with your boo. You hear her laugh? You hear her? And she is typing on her laptop, and this free bot is bringing money in for me on autopilot. Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin with another video. I'm going to give you a free bot. And listen, this is a bot. All you need to do is click it. And I know that sounds crazy, and I know it sounds insane, but it works, and it works fast, okay? And I'm talking about 500 bucks a day, $700 a day. And I'm going to show you proof in this video that this bot does all the work for you. You could be tall, short, pretty, ugly, dumb, smart, intelligent. I don't care. But it's powerful. If you're trying to leave your 9-to-5 job, if I show you right here how to make 300 bucks per day, which is $9,000 per month, would you kindly smash that like button? And also, would you sub to the channel? Let's get it. Okay, so follow me here. I'm going to move very slow because I want to make sure that everybody gets it. In the comment section below, let me know where you are on the planet. And the great thing about this is worldwide. Smash the like for that because I was thinking about you, all my African brothers, right? So smash the like button here because I promise you to give you massive value, okay? Now listen, follow me very closely here. The first site that you need to go to is Clearvoice.com. Clearvoice.com. Now, it's important to understand to make money online, you have to follow instructions, which means don't fast forward through the video like most people, and they never make money. It's because they're not teachable. And I believe that you're teachable now. Okay, so go to Clearvoice.com. And this site, basically, they just pay you and pay people around the world to write things for them. That's all they do. They hire blog writers who can urge you to read every last word. That's all they do. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I don't want to write anything. Wesley, I'm lazy. Wesley, I didn't pass English. Listen, you don't have to write anything because the bot that I'm going to give you, as promised, is going to do all the work for you. Go ahead and smash the like button. You smell good. I can smell you right now. Let's get it. Okay, look. Check it out. So you see Megan Hart. You see Tom Tracy. You see Hannah. All these people right now currently are being paid $100 to $1,000 per article. Look at my girl Megan here, okay? I'm going to click on her CVC here, and you can see she wrote all these articles. So imagine writing, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say if she makes an average of 300 bucks, that's $2,100 just by writing words on the computer here. And the great thing about this bot, it's going to do all the work for you. You don't have to go to school, right? You don't have to have a fancy job. Nothing at all, actually. Because the thing about this bot, it does it for you, right? It's crazy here. Okay, so check it out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you something here. Let me go back. And basically, if you go over here to Talent Network here, you'll see that people get paid for blog posts, articles, ebooks, guides, website pages. These are all the different categories that they have here, right? And we're going to kind of focus on the blog post here. This is where the juice is. This is where the money can come very fast to you by making money online using this free bot that I'm going to give you in a second, okay? So check it out. What you want to do is click on Talent Network. Go to Join the Talent Network here, okay? Are you with me? Then you type in your name, okay? What is your name? Well, I guess your name is Big Head. So we're going to say MrBigHead.com, right? Your name is Big Head here. Hold on. Let me see this. Big Head. That's you. Your head is big, but it's all good. Hit get started here, okay? Then as you can see here, you rock, Big Head. That is you, right? It's that simple here. I have a full account now, and now what I can do is get ready to start making money here, okay? So this is you. I want you to pretend and imagine that this is your account. You're getting ready to use this free bot to make a couple $100 per day. You have to imagine leaving your 9-to-5. How many of you smash the like button if you can't stand your 9-to-5 job? Just say, I hate it, Wesley. Smash the like button if you truly believe that this is your year and that you're going to be independently wealthy. Listen, the first step of becoming a wealthy person, you have to believe that you can do it, whatever you're trying to do, okay? And I'm going to help you through this process here. As you can see here, it says CV completion. This is called your resume, okay? All you need to do is click on improve your CV, and you need to make sure you fill out all this information and make sure this goes to 100%. This is a brand new account here. As you can see, it said you rock, Big Head, right? It's brand new for this video here. You want to connect all your social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram as well. Why? Because it's going to allow you to be discoverable on the website. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's crazy how this stuff works. And this bot is insane. You're going to love it. You're going to love me. You're going to smash the like button. And you're going to sub to me for life. Okay? So check it out. So you see the button that says add content below. Can everybody see that on the right side at the bottom here? Add content. So what it's asking for, it wants me to paste a URL here because it wants me to start adding content, because that's how you start making money. Does that make sense? But as I promised, you don't have to be an expert writer. You don't have to know anything, even if you don't know English, okay? Habla español. It doesn't matter. Si fútbol play, right? You don't have to know anything as it relates to any type of writing here. I'm going to show you this backdoor bot that you're going to love me, and you're going to be like, yes, Wesley, let's go. So we're going to click off of here. Check it out. Okay. And I'm going to click on a site by the name of, oh, I'm sorry, not yet. Hold on, give me a second. Because what we need to do is write an article, right? So the question is, well, Wesley, what are you going to write the article about? So we're going to go to google.com. Let's say if we're going to write an article about business, okay? So we're going to type in business article. Let's type this top business article, okay? Because what we want to do is we want to show other people on that website that we are proficient writers, right? Even though that we're not. But we're going to use the bot that's going to do all the work for you, okay? You see here, it says the 37 best articles every entrepreneur should read. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Forbes, right? Because Forbes is very famous, very popular here. So we see Kanye West right here. Unfortunately, Kanye, you got a divorce. What did you do? What did you do to Kim? But whatever here. So what I'm going to do here, okay, I'm going to take this article here, okay, and I'm going to scroll down, okay. And what I want to do is, now, understand this. Now, this is very important. I want you guys to understand this. Oh, come on, come on. I'm trying to get out of here. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. All right. Let's go back here. Okay. Oh, the internet here. My internet is not working, guys, but stay with me here. I promise you. Okay, look. What I'm going to do is, while my internet reconnects here, I'm going to grab a business article, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Now, understand, we're not going to copy. We're not going to plagiarize. We're not going to do anything that's going to be a copyright strike here. This is a backdoor bot, and the bot is going to be very powerful once my computer get back online here. So give me a second. Okay, we're here. All right, let me do a refresh. I'm back online, guys. I know I'm rich, and for some reason my internet sucks, okay? So look, you see this? Come on now, I don't want to subscribe. Why? Well, oh, no more free articles. Okay, so the thing is, let's don't go to Forbes here. Let's go to another website. Follow me here. Stay with me. Okay? Top business article here. Let's go to New York Times. Everybody know what the New York Times is. Listen, what's important is we want to find an article that's already popular. That's the key. That's how you start making the money. You want to find an article that's already popular here, and you're going to use the bot to make sense of it so you can start bringing in some cash, okay? That makes sense? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Ting Vo editor resigns after racist tweets here, okay? And if I scroll down here, all these dumb ads here, you see this right here? So I'm going to copy and paste that. Now listen, I am not going to use that and post that on Clearvoice. What I'm going to do is I'm using my bot. The bot is Quillbot.com. Please write that down. This is why you're going to like me right now. Quillbot.com is going to make you a lot of money. Let me show you what you got to do. So what I did is I copy and paste that from New York Times. Quillbot, what it does is it rearranges words, okay? It changes out nouns and adjectives, right? It's powerful, right? And it basically does a paraphrase. Check it out. I click on paraphrase here. And check it out. Boom! Look at that. It changed the entire paragraph around. If you see here, it says Alexa McCammott, who made her name as a politics reporter. Alexa! Shut up! Sorry, guys. My Alexa just started talking. I told her to shut the hell up. All right, I'm back to you. I love you, though. I love you. Okay, look. As you can see, the first sentence here changed, right? Alexa McCammott, who rose to prominence as a politics reporter at Access in Washington, had expected to serve. So do you understand here? What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that first sentence here, okay? Stay with me here. I'm going to go to Google Drive, which is a free site. Go to googledocs.com. That is googledocs.com. I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm going to paste it here, okay? And then I'm going to go back again to the article that we had at the New York Times. Are you with me here, okay? This is how you make the money. It's so easy, right? You copy and paste again. And as you can see here, I'm not using the actual content here. I'm using the bot. Hello? The bot. To paraphrase, comment below the bot. The bot is the reason why I'm not working a job anymore, okay? It's doing all the work for me. So, once I copy and paste that, then I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to hit paraphrase again. And as you can see, you just do that until you have a complete article. Does that make sense? See how it does it for you? It's going to paraphrase. It's going to change out words and nouns and adjectives, right? And it's basically going to create a new article for you. Then once you have that article, say if I have this article, say, I'm going to say you rock. Example here. Okay. You're going to go here. File. Download. This is going to be a Microsoft doc. See how easy it is? So simple. How many of you right now are loving this and believe that you can do this? This is so simple, right? Then you go back to what? The website here. Click on add content again, right? And all you want to do is upload the file that we just uploaded, that we just downloaded to our computer here. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button. I know you're loving me right now. I know. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? It only wants a PDF. So since it wants a PDF, this is what we're going to do. See, I'm glad I had a challenge here so I can show you how to deal with that. So what we're going to do is go to File. As you can see here, Google Docs allows you to do Docs, ODT, RTF, and PDF. This is what we need. This is the format that they want for Clearvoice so you can start making the money. Does it make sense? Are you with me? Okay. So you're going to go back here, upload file, and as you can see here, boom, you rock PDF. You upload it like this. How easy is this? Now, how many of you can do it? This is simple, right? Because once you upload this doc and you keep doing this over and over again, people will start to see your content and they're going to pay you money and you didn't do anything. The bot is doing the work. Comment below. The bot is doing the work, okay? So I put, okay, I got it. You select the category here. It can be lead generation, advertising, whatever category that it is. You want to click on that, all right? And then you want to put the primary role as well, such as yourself, content type. And then right here, you want to put an image. Why? Because the image is going to make it more attractive, okay? It's just like an Instagram photo. If you want to get a lot of likes, and if you ain't got no big old booty like Kim Kardashian, then guess what? You need to get another picture, put it here, so more people will check out your article, and they're going to pay you a lot of money to do that. Go to the site. This is the site that I use. And please don't share it with anybody. Just use it for yourself. Smash the like button if you're loving this. Listen, it's Pexels.com. This is where I go because everything is free. Free videos, free stock photos. Listen, did I deserve your like? This Pexel is powerful because every image on this site, it's free. You don't have to spend any money. Does that make sense? So you go here to discover photos. See if I want this beautiful black woman, right? I can just basically click on it, hit the download button, and it's going to download right to my laptop. As you see, it's just downloaded, right? Then I go back here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the image here, and I'm going to put the cute black woman here, right, in the red dress. Boom, bada bing, bada ba, bada boom. And then it's going to upload here, and I just hit update. Then it's done. See that? Cool black woman right there. You rock. That's your first article. And you do this over and over again. Does that make sense? Are you guys with me? Now, listen. That's not going to make you a multimillionaire, okay? That's not going to make you super rich. But let me show you what will, and let me show you what made me rich. Follow me real quickly here. This is for anybody that wants to learn from Wesley Virgin, okay? I'm not saying I'm the best teacher on the planet, and I'm not saying I'm the smartest guy in the cookie jar, however that, and now that little phrase goes. But this site right here allowed me to make $30 million. This site right here allowed me to retire my parents. I've traveled around the world with my children. I bought myself several, like 10 cars right now. I have homes around the world. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want my help, if you want me to mentor you in 45 days. I've did this already 2,000 times already. I'm going to take you exactly how you are right now. I'm going to show you how to create exactly what you see on the screen. that in 45 days, you'll make no less than $10,000 per month only if you do the work. If you're lazy, lethargic, if you just want something for free, it's not going to work for you. But if you're willing to put in the time and grind with me, with my help, with my mentorship, I promise you, you'll never work another day in your life. Listen, you deserve to be here. You don't deserve to be working for other people. You deserve to work for yourself. This is a great life. It's an abundant life. There's many opportunities out there. And guess what? This is your opportunity right now. So listen, hit the like button if you got value. Hit the sub button. Also, I need to drink some water. I got too much spit in my mouth right now. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Yeah.